Hello, hi everyone. Let's not wasting a time and let's start the G2 route 2 in this video. If you look into the G2 route 1 video, I give some tips at the beginning of the video, the things you should be keeping in mind when you come for the road test. So in this video we will be covering a G2 route 2. So we just came back behind the building now and we reached up to the first stop sign, and this stop sign we will be making a left turn safely. Once we done the left turn, we will be continuing going here by following the rules and regulations. Once you complete your left turn on this road, we're going to be continue going straight ahead, and from the stop signs coming up from there we will be making a right turn. By following the rules regulations, once you done the right turn from here, we're gonna be continue going driving straight ahead up to the traffic lights. From the traffic lights we're gonna be making a left turn. Let's get closer. Safely, once you complete this left turn on this road, now we will go straight ahead, and the street coming up on your left side we will make a left turn. So let's continue making a left turn on the first street. Successfully, when you complete your left turn on this road, we will be continue going straight ahead, and from the stop sign coming up from there we're gonna be going straight. On the second stop signs coming up from that stop sign we're gonna be going right. So let's continue driving straight ahead up to the second stop sign and make a right turn from there. On this road, if examiner find any car here to do a parallel park, they can test you for the parallel park. And also on this street we will be making a 3-point turn, and once you've done the 3-point turn on this road, you're going to be continue going straight back to the stop sign. So let's continue completing a 3-point turn and going straight ahead up to the stop sign. On this stop sign we're going to be making a right turn, and after that, once you've done the right turn, continue going straight ahead on this road by following the rules and regulations on the road. And once we reach to the next stop sign, from there we will be making a right turn. So let's continue going straight ahead here. Once successfully you've done your right turn, From here we're going to be continue going straight ahead up to the traffic lights. On the right side, if you look at it, there's so many cars that are parked here. Examiner even can ask you to do a parallel park on the side here. In my first video I covered the parallel park. Anyhow, if you never got tested for the parallel park, examiner even can ask for reverse park when you go back to the test center. So in this video we will do a reverse park at the end of this video. Traffic lights, we are going to be making a right turn whenever it's going to be safe to do so. And once you've done your right turn from this road, we're going to be continue going straight ahead. This road pretty much is a straight driving, and we're going to go up to the next traffic lights. Let's continue. Once you reach through the traffic lights, by following the rules of the road, let's make a right turn from here. And once you've done the right turn from here, you're gonna be continue going straight ahead. We're gonna be making a right turn to go back to the residential area. See where the bus is coming out. From there we're gonna make a right turn to go into the neighborhood. And once you reach to the first stop sign, from that stop sign we're going to be making a left turn. Let's continue. At this stop sign, we're gonna be making a right turn safely. Once this right turn is done, immediately we're going to be making a left at the first stop sign coming ahead. And now this street's going to take you back to the test center, and you're going to be making a right turn to go back to the test center. Once you're back to the parking lot, in here we can do a reverse park now. Hopefully this effort is going to help you to understand the G2 route here in Orangeville City. Thanks for watching a video. Share with your families and friends, and always take a proper training before you come for the road test to get successful for in your road test. Drive safe and keep other people safe. Subscribe the channel to support. Thank you.